Are you a content creator? Do you have a YouTube channel? Want to monetize, promote, and protect your channel from intellectual property theft? At Forever, we will monetize, optimize, and protect your channel, helping you earn better. We also offer you professional content management support guidance. Join our network today and enjoy our premium benefits. Contact us at mcn@forever.com.
Taking what was to kill you. You will see me again when there is danger. You will make a good king. You came back. You must bury your anger. Else, anger. You did make me happy, and as I dey happy and I saw you dey happy, you did make my voltage dey high because you take dey high me, and so you take dey off me.
Joking. This now you be the first will understand me.
I tell you.
Only to give me high spirit.
High voltage, high star.
Hey.
Clear road.
Hey. Shoki the shoki.
See, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Sit down for my tell you something. See her. Okay. Hey, high star, clear road. See her. For this Appian, for this Ama, for this Azan, now you be number one.
Hey.
Queen of the ghetto. No man contest. High voltage. You put on your shock there.
Hey.
You don't understand? No good there because only you want the high me. And as you say the high me, that's why you take the off me. So no shake can stand with you, eh? I do you no level.
Shoki. You know say that man when I work with, when I guide the land. The guy they happy.
I tell you.
The guy get joy. The guy say, I do well. So the guide the land well.
Maybe you again.
What for you? Don't worry.
You the guide spirit. The land could be issue.
Wow. You don't know my Mara.
Wow for you. Did you Google them? You know.
Don't worry. Very soon, I will shake your account. Yeah, uptown. I will shake on 2 accounts.
Rechargeable.
Wow.
Rechargeable.
Wow.
Hey.
The man say, he go wire me some money. So if you wire me, now I will shake your account.
High star. I said I need my Wi-Fi. If I yes I connect anywhere else. Now you don't off me. You don't off me. Say you go recharge me.
As I go wire bad money, tell you.
As you say the eye me. And so you just stay off me. You don't off me.
Hey! Now make me they believe your matter. You. Oh!
I'm your no. Get out of this palace. Get out! Get out of this palace. Tomorrow, ask her. What did you do?
I was cleaning his room. And I broke the whole mirror by accident.
Broke one mirror by accident? So the mirror moved. Mirror now didn't take your hand. You did competent.
doesn't leave this palace by the end of today, people will see another side of me. Promise. I don't know the kind of... You cannot sleep. Idiots. Mirror broke by accident. Shut up, my friend, shut up!
See, I will not shut up. I will not shut up because you've sent everybody out of this house. Everybody, including the security. She's the only remaining girl here and you still want to kill her? What is all this now? Stand up, stand up. You're not leaving this house to me, okay? My mother is the only person that has that right, not him. Okay, just let's go inside and sort this out.
I have to go. If I don't leave, he'll kill me. My friend is killed.
Listen to my mother first. Just come. Just come, try to. Me I don't see pleasure, me I don't tire, I want to leave the rest of my children to grow. Me I don't see pleasure, me I don't tire, I want to leave the rest of my children to grow. I want to leave the rest of my children to grow. Me I don't see pleasure, me I don't see pleasure, me I don't see pleasure, me I don't see pleasure. I want to leave the rest of my children to grow. Me I don't see pleasure, 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 me I don't. Hey, Shoki, are you behind me? Shoki, you the correct guy.
Belasconi. Oh, my Clay, you want to put out, eh? They with you at the feel I did day happy. One kind to go, they work off my body, just like they recharge. You go away. You go away. What you think, Aisha?
You're the best.
I'm good.
Yeah. Just stop crying, okay? Yeah, this is your salary. Everything is inside, even more for your transport.
I love this household, but I must leave. I'm sorry.
It's okay, you have nothing to be sorry for. You have nothing to be sorry for. I'm sorry, okay? Just stop crying, please. Okay? Have a safe trip and my regards to your parents. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay? Just take care of yourself. What is wrong with Ikemba in this house, eh? Look at what his massive anger is costing us. What is the meaning of all this anger now? Why is this guy so angry all the time?
Mama B! Why are you go like this? That's why. Where they will land it? They want to say that land. What be that? What you do? Where they wish land? For that old player, they want to say the land like this as they talk like this.
That way to simple things like one.
I'm sorry. But this thing just controls me sometimes.
You need a wife urgently. My dear son, if you can control a woman, you can control your temperament.
I don't agree with you. That's not what I need. I don't want any casualties on my hands. I need time.
You don't want to have casualties in your hands. You need time. What time? It has been 1 year since your father died. You need to ascend that throne. And you cannot do that without a bride.
I say it again, Mother. I need time. Time. Let me work on my anger first. Later on, we'll start talking about getting a wife.
You don't understand. I already have a plan. Yes. Help is on the way. Just expect it. Don't ask me how.
Bella Sconi.
Yeah.
Bella Sconi. I don't try. You tell no issue. I'll go track my man.
We for follow me this one.
You know it's up now. $1 million, I make me walk. If not, then no man there for just deal with you.
Because of Malano Wahala. Yes, I realize now I'm living my life. My play. I don't know where I want this. I never take my twice down. They play with my million. But no worry, Sha. If you want to see me, I'll do something you want me to take. Arrange some lay. You know?
I said, yo, you off?
Hey!
Yeah, but no worry, she did it tomorrow. No shaking, I'll track you tomorrow.
Say money everywhere, and the works they flow. They never build our schools. They build our schools like this now. We come now abroad for now. We enjoy ourselves. I tell you. You
Ella,
I didn't tell you.
it's my spirit.
What can I see?
I'll go to my spirit. How are you?
Alright guys, now hey! Jockey for life!
If only. This boy and the mother knows what I'm planning. No wahala. Let tomorrow come first. Just the off me. That man just the off me. Eh? You know, believe that man don't got a small mind. They tell mama come for us. You see, now mama papa join and build. Because my papa don't buy now. He come like say go fit chance mama. They give me they speak English here, mama quick notice.
Wait. I don't understand.
For this time, now this one they happen so. So off me. He off me.
Your uncle don't get big far. Eh? You don't get who join the phone. You know they fear. You don't know so you get people.
When we start get Belasconi, I get up town with the wrong town for this town. One or two call they dumb me now. High voltage.
You forget your brother no be a boy. Uptown! You need to die that way.
What are you doing? Huh?
I'm the one that invited her and opened your room for her.
Why?
He came back, come on. You need to marry. You need to get a bride and retain that throne. Can't you look at her? She's so beautiful. I'm from a very good family too. Her mother is my best friend. He came back. He came back. Look at this girl. Is she not beautiful? Yeah? Why would you turn everything that is meant to be a surprise into a war? So we can't surprise you in peace again in this house.
What are you surprising me? Huh? Is it my fault? I told you I do not want to get married right now. Is it my fault? Let me be. If the community cannot wait for me, then let them take their kingship. I'm not married.
I'm very big lie. I told my mother this was a very bad idea. Who does this these days?
Okay, don't just blame us. Don't even blame your mom. Just blame us. Because we don't even change. Now that we are living with a tiger in this house, I don't want to get married. I'm very for me to equally get married too. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I need to I'm sorry. So, you know the fear. You can't give. What do they give you the morale? They give you your smelly gut and mat. They take some care and mama make you go for the house. I don't want peace in the first place.
Forgive. Now, Grace and the Grace that I'm going to forgive. Now, don't say something. I'm not going to try again for this land. No offense. I take up. No offense.
You never see anything. You supposed to know now. You go for this street. Now when they control this people, and you see one person problem, I will see the problem. And like this, after the problem, say they deal with the things when you was up. So I can't be.
I don't know saying get friends will get gone. I'm gonna just forgive you. I'm not going to ever Grace again.
Shut up, man! They talking it up. As you did so, they will carry you. They will go for the lawyer office. They will sign the documents. Are you not going to tell the lawyer? Say, you keep this house. They will die for this house.
I go sign. I don't sign them already, sir. I don't sign them. I'm not joking. Tell your mama come. I don't sign them already. I said, even if you want me to use this way, come on. For sugar, I go come on. I mean, no offense. No offense, I beg. No offense.
Shoki. Carry your mark on. Let's sign the documents fast.
Carry pen, come.
My hair not correct. You know the fear face. Eh? You know what you are matter for this man? Sure.
Grace.
It's okay, my dear. My angel. It's okay. My apologies once again. It's okay. I am good, my queen. It's a quest for royalty. It doesn't come easy. I know. But my dear, I assure you, it will be worth it at the end. Oh, my queen, I have to go now. No. Not so soon. Not until I see him. Okay? I must have to see him and find out something, which he also needs to understand. Mama-chan, Chukwu ji otutu nweke. Ị na-anọ ka takwa kili onwe gị n'ugo. Eh? My darling, with the type of beauty you possess and the relationship between my family and yours, this marriage must definitely work out. No? As my faint desire. Okay, now let's smile for me now.
I have taken what was to kill you. You will see me again when there is danger in your way. You will make a good king, Ikemba. But you must bury your anger. Bury your angers.
Why? Anger. Why this level of temperament? Huh? At least I should have taken a little time to assess the girl. Give her some time, get to know her. But no, instead I was threatening to shoot her. Huh? Why this level of anger? How do I take this anger? How?
Bella Sconi, uptown where they run town for this town. Hey, as soon as they eye me, as soon as you're off me, as soon as you show 2 seconds everywhere, boss. Small queer cash out which they when your office say you don't get one small connection, you won't call intimidate us. They speak English, say me and my mama check out. Quick notice. But I'm not too sure now. The lawyer never give me the docu. As it stands now, we get the yas. Nobody go fit collect am. And even they plan whether I fit your tattoo or two for the wall.
For you don't know my Mara. We tight now. I be soldier for the street too. Forget say, no my pillar. Only my Milan no, because my life for this life when I come so. As I did like this so I go live and die happily for the street.
Mama B, Queen Belasconi, the queen of voltage. Mama, information they reach me like this. Say as we dey here so some men did that new estate. They want to do some selling for this man.
They know they on their Wi-Fi. They know they see updates. They don't know discuss now when they head the ground for this land.
What you wait for that? What they go now? They go up there.
Mother, please, I wish to be left alone.
My dear son, no mother leaves her son alone in the middle of great challenge like this. I am beginning to think that our enemies sent this anger to you through diabolical means, just to destroy you and take away the throne.
Mother, I know what my problem is. I'll find the solution soon.
She is the most beautiful of them all. She is the solution, my dear son. She is willing and ready. Make her your bride.
Give me time. Make it ever now you push me into marriage I'm not ready for. If I kill somebody, the person's blood will be on your head.
That time is now, my son. Her love is the antidote.
Like I also said, Mother, give me time, please. Not now.
When then?
You're welcome. Hey, this is Chris. Sit down.
Uncle, this one where you dey smile like who they give credit a lot.
Better day. Better day. No, this small thing as they was. We just carry the money come. So I make a call you, make we share. You know that kind of thing.
You off me? You call me more share money? So uncle, you feel you're nice like this?
I know one time now. So after that, fine girl, all of my follow come. Carry go up off her head. What is your first look at the top? Carry go up off her head. I said, no wonder. You better say, this is what someone they call with the shadow like that. You know, that kind of thing.
Uncle, as you hide me and I want you off me. So you feel you collect money share. God good.
God good. God good.
Uncle, I don't say God good. Now they say gone good.
Gone good.
Good,
Gone good.
gone good.
Angel, you worry too much. Okay, see what's gonna happen. I will take you to the mall and then I'll also show you the things to pick for him. Because you know, guys, they're not gifts.
Are you serious? I can't believe anything I thought I'll make him be happy with me. I am okay. I'll do it.
You know, my fiance, I want his heart with food and gifts. And...
Oh, sorry, Mom, the queen. She called me.
Hello, Mom. Oh, okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. I'll be there. All right, Mom.
Okay. She said I should leave whatever I am doing and run straight to the palace right now.
Now?
Yes.
Okay, then let's go.
There's no cause for alarm. I am the special assistant to the son of Senator Magnus Ike. He saw you and you caught his fancy. He wants to give you a ride to wherever you're going. I'm talking to you, beautiful.
They talk to you. You see they worry. You don't get sense. You they talk. They speak English. They shine it. I only your teeth shine. Make a shine on you. Come on, for you. Make a see road. Flat me on my side. They worry.
Where is she? Go see she's so strict. You know, we should go to her. She refused the offer of a ride and next week jumped into the meeting.
Robin, let's go.
What are your favorite colors? What of your favorite music? Food and drinking cup. Any hobby?
I mean, can I take my leave?
Hoping, let's talk. I mean no harm, okay? Please. I like you. You're beautiful, okay? Just hoping, let's talk.
I am talking to you. Sure? Baby, relax. Huh? Why are you being unnecessarily difficult? Huh? Now listen, I have whatever it takes to give you a great life.
Oh, so the life and the little be better life. Now the one who give me now be better life. You don't speak English, it's stress. Now you speak English, Pastor B. Come and tell you, Listen to me well. Make I introduce myself. I be land guard. I dey work, I dey make my money. You dey hear me? So now they feel say, now this one you want to give me better life. Guy, relax, oh. You dey hear me? And if you block my way, see, you go red for me and you.
Please. What about lunch? Just have lunch with me and then go your way.
Come, belly no be short glass, oh. You dey hear me? Guy, see, I don't work my belly full. You dey hear me? My belly don't full. So what is why they talk? Now nonsense English. Not block my way, oh. Not get joy, oh.
You have under your grip classy and sassy girls.
There's something about this girl. I must find out her source of courage and motivation. Land guard. Female land guard. My father once told me about one guarding his land at New Layout. Let's go.
Your son, he has torn my womb. I almost got crippled. My son? My queen, your son is a bulldozer. In fact, I am done with this whole arrangement. No, it can't be. Not now that things are turning out to be fine. Eh? My dear, if he made love to you, then he truly loves you. No. He has destroyed my womanhood with his manhood. Like atomic bomb clearing the enemy's territory. No, anything you want. No! Come now!
So you try to tell me, say you just leave the man like that?
As you see me so, I be like a person where they follow politician picking because of money. No, I ask you. After you say they follow politician picking because of money, they go carry the motor, they call Shuma. They Shuma for who? I get time. Oh yeah, I could die. Sure.
That's good. As you take the high me, eh? Now so you take the off me. Eh? What should we say you don't accept the offer? You don't accept the offer. See, I know say na street there for born you. I know say you get street OT. I know say you won't die for the street. I know say you love the street. The street they make you happy. But offer don't come. You know say as you be, you too fine. Eh? You dey like today bread. You dey like with the snap inside shop right. As you go where? Offer don't come. God don't bless you. You don't die for street. I said the offer make you forge ahead.
So, what's he got to talk so? So the highness way they give me don't do. Which highness they won't give me for that side? Will you know if you give me? No. Tell me. Guy, I could die.
You know the reason one side, you know the reason the other side, you know the reason future. You know say a time will come you say you say you just get boyfriend or husband, what they call hobby. So now took the reason heart to heart, soul to soul.
Wait, what do you be?
Eh? Be sure. You're really one that also together with you that
I am so proud of you.
Mother, I did it in anger.
But she's the one you found worthy, and it gladdens my heart. So, Namo, when do we see her parents?
See her parents for what?
For her marriage rights, of course.
Just like that. Huh? Just like that. Mother, you amaze me. I did everything to scare her away. I'll be surprised if she even comes back to me.
Ikemba, you cannot back off now. Not after having a taste of her womanhood. It's not possible.
You think I can?
Oh, really? Then watch and see how we make her your bride. It is long overdue. And I cannot sit and watch the kingship of this kingdom slip away from our hands. Simply because of your stupid acts. In a week from now, her marriage rights will commence. Whether you like it or not.
That is not possible.
Okay.
Can you hear me, Mother? I said it is not possible. Nobody can force me to marry a girl I do not love simply because of what she has between her legs. It's not possible.
Okay. Then watch and see how we make her your bride. Mutually, I came back. You see what we are.
You see, from this side, down to that tree, now we're in charge.
Are you confirming that your boss owns this land?
Now maybe Gambo, the original land guard, where they guard all this Zanga. Yeah? Don't look my ruggedity, you're safe. Eh? I know the Gambo. Gambo! You just start
Abi? How many times did I warn you make you know they put half into your concern us? That's why you do last month.
Can you be quiet now? Let me do that. Let me do that. You!
I tell you that. I mean, I respond. I want to
Mommy, where is he now? Gone to see the manager of his guest house. But my dear, oge rugukwa mgbe anyị ga-atọlụ nwanne gị nwoke aka n'obi. Maka na ịma na ọ bụ na ọ nụrụ nwaanyị, gị nwa ama anụ di.
You still remember that?
So we are marrying Angela for him in a week's time.
Really?
I've already sent message across to Ichie and Ichie Obase.
Hey! Mommy, you know you're a lioness.
Why did you just call me?
A lioness.
Good. I am glad you know I'm a lioness. And I will fight to achieve what I want.
I trust you though. And I believe that it's going to happen. Just pray it works.
It has already worked out. Just consider it done.
At least I can finally get married. I'm tired of staying in this house.
No, please, wait. What's in here? Relax.
I mean no harm. I mean no harm.
What? Why did you come here? Who bring you come here? I ask you. I did locate this place.
You see, my father owns many of the lands you and your boys guard. Yes. He bought them with his company's name to avoid being linked with lots of properties. So you see, you are working for my father. Yes. He told me of the incident this evening and gave me direction to this place. But listen, I must take you to the best hospital, okay? Let's go.
I mean, they said that. I'll tell you, I won't go hospital.
You have bullet wound.
After that, they collect bullets. After that, they collect bullets. You know that's how I rocket for the streets. Don't worry. Shoki, they do your work. I will my leg will well. You know what? Why say you talk now? Long tea. I'll send you a message.
No.
Sure.
Hospital will be quicker and more effective.
Mama, the last school, the street school.
Where are you?
Mama, I don't listen to what the guy yarn. He mean well. So I go suggest him make you follow and go hospital for proper treatment. Because you know why? Who gets one leg not the fit fight well? Oh.
If by my boyfriend permits now. Voila.
Mama B, what be your boyfriend?
I'm Shoki da. Sure? I didn't ask this kind of question.
So Shoki, madam, now they just put me for one side.
Look, I'm sorry for the way I treated you the other day, okay? I'm sorry. You're a very beautiful woman. You know, a lot of men would give anything just to have you. Anything at all. But for some reason, you know, I just feel you're not attractive enough to be my wife.
What? Then what is wrong with me?
Nothing. Nothing. You're fine, right? You're good. You're okay. The time we spent alone together, it was wonderful. Well, I can't really lay my hands on it. I don't know what the problem is. I can't even say right now the kind of woman I want. I just know that I've not found that person. I believe I'll find her.
It is on record that you have dealt with countless women because of your anger. But I am here to take it. I will never run away like the way they did. If that is your fear, please discard it. I am here to help you overcome your rage and be your queen.
You know, you deserve a medal, believe me. I just realized that you're a very special person. All my life, I have never, ever apologized to anyone. Never. But I find myself doing that. So for that, I know that you are special. You're indeed a wonderful person. Like I said before, I'm done with you. This conversation is done.
Won't be like her, me. Won't be like her. Because I don't condemn one of our legs. That shark clutch is John. I can't pretend like say student hates me, but you don't see me now. Nothing happen. Or there is she. Nothing happen.
You know what's kill? Gabo, clear road. The security of this land, they are our hand. And we get time. See, we can advise you, you go by yourself and delete yourself. Otherwise, if not, you know go see tomorrow. You know why? Now me, uptown when they run town. You know why you of me?
Uptown. They claim say they run town, but you don't get calm. I feel to send you down, but I go leave you. You know why? Just say me and you don't drink from the same cup. But take this message, go give that your mama. Then I say, me Gambo, the Rambo. Talk say, I'm gonna do my business. Anyhow where I like her. Any which way where I want her for this town. And nothing will happen. Nobody will stop me. You hear me?
Forget that thing. Now Belasco, that be the real mafia for the street. You know what they come for you. Make I advise you. You better your vamoose. Don't come up from this country. Otherwise, if not, now your nose will take the right for ground.
Shime. Now me be Gambo. You know say I know the Gambo. Let's say you want tumble. Well, I don't make you stumble. I don't advise you. You know say Shakabu, don't be English. I can't English. You can't make Shakabu. Try and see. Forget that thing. Try and see.
Sweetie, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. And I'm telling you, it's true. My brother has never ever apologized to any woman ever in his entire life. Has ever tried it. I mean, for my brother to have spent time with you and said sorry as well, it simply means he likes you. Okay, so please, it's not the time for you to, be crying or be feeling sad. Okay, you need to understand that we are winning here, right? We're winning, okay? So please just cheer up, please. My dear, she's telling you exactly the truth. Yes. All you need to do now is to cheer up and be happy. Exactly. Okay? Okay. Now that things are beginning to unfold, what we need to do is try to know how to cement things and put things in the right place. Oh, cheer up, oh?
Looking into his eyes, I know he was not lying to me. He may have sympathy for me,
but not to make me his bride. And what makes you believe that?
Yes.
He's your son.
I know.
But my queen, believe me, I know better in this.
Really?
I have been in a relationship before. Know it when a man wants a woman. Even the ones throwing themselves on the man, just like what I'm doing right now. All I seek now is no longer to become his bride anymore, but a subtle way to depart from his life, so that I will be able to stand again, nothing more.
I just, all these things you're saying, I understand. And trust me, you don't really know more than my mom in this. My brother likes you. Okay? Exactly. Just give us time to work it out. Alright? Just give us time to work it out. And trust us as well. Okay? Just relax.
There's something I've been meaning to discuss with you.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
See, spending this time with her enabled me to see what I have never seen before in a woman. She is an epitome of beauty. Strong and very energetic.
You just off me just now. The last corner, now you speak all this English. Let's say use way discharge yourself. Now you, of course she's strong now, on a normal level now. Now you talk small.
I love her so much. I love her so much. And I want to make you an offer to forget about her.
Okay. I hear you.
5 million naira. I want you to start a new life and a new business. I desire to make her my wife.
Wait. You said how much?
I said 5 million naira. I want you to start a new life and a new business. I desire to make her my wife. See, she told me you are the only man she has feelings for in this whole world. Because you guys do a lot together. I want you to end here and now. She does not belong to the street. Oh. Do you think this will work?
Okay. 5 million naira we dey talk about. 5 million naira to an ordinary street boy and a land guard. With that money, he is made for life and off the street. He has no life in the street and we grab the opportunity with alacrity.
Then how come he has not called? How come he has not called? I gave him my card and he promised to call before dark. Now look at the time.
Easy. I know how you feel about this girl. Easy, he will call. Easy. Are you sure?
Sure? Oh Bob. The last one when I feel say go reason me. Come manage reason you. Now you dey misbehave. You won't leave her. Oh Bob, you know worse you. I be say you worse you. You see that baby? She leave money because of you. Now you want leave her because of money. Say, if you try her, I go vex for you. Not try that thing. You see how you talk this thing just now. I get you why you still reason now. You off me. You off me. You see woman when love you, when money not dey.
bros, take am serious. You know why? Once the money don't come out, that love, now go una together. You see, for this street, bros, not together forever. One word will go make am.
So I enter. This one enter where I feel am. A street forever.
Correct.
But I want me you still know say since we the born, this is the best thing you ever tell me.
Baba, man, not say you're not serious. I know they advise you since. Even this your Esther, I not advise you. Not me advise you to one like this. If you like because of this your Esther, now make Belasco the reason you.
The style we be saying I mean initiate you. What can take the glory now?
Yes. Hold on. Come in. What are you doing here? Huh? We ended whatever we had since yesterday, so what are you doing here?
I slept here last night. I could not just sleep. I want to depart in a memorable way. So I could face my life without ever having any regret of meeting you.
Alright, fine. So, what exactly do you want?
Tear me apart. Ride me like a horse, like you did the other day. Rip me to pieces. Turn my home upside down. Leave me with the last memory of you. And...
Whoa, hey, wait. Listen, I have a meeting in my guest house, okay? Can't do this right now.
Tell you.
Are you even my royal highness?
Tell you. Bella Sconi. Bella Sconi. See, Bella Sconi. I see the high me, I see the off me. You my everything, you're smart, eh? You my everything, you my everything. Sconi, now you did told this one. So what let me go leave you? So even if I not swear, you don't know so I not feel leave you. I not leave you when things red, when we are the red. I know we think I got the things got the good why I love that got the strong. Now I can leave you.
Jogi.
Sconi.
You're not my Only you.
Bev, confirm. Let me show you small. Show you small. Show you small. Yeah.
Shoki!
Belasconi. Belasconi.
I didn't know she's of late. So I want to go out right now and get her pills. Pills that will stop her from getting married. Nobody will force me into getting married to somebody else.
Just like that.
You don't carry the money come. Huh?
Well, the reason to collect the money, the next day this guy go send me for message saying don't carry and go 10 million.
Wait. 10 million? Na naira?
No. I don't 10 million, 1 million into 10.
To God will create me and you. If anything happen to that money, this life go turn upside down. You mean 10 million naira to forget about woman? You still dey keep your face like this? For women everywhere they pursue men? You still dey keep your face? Pursue her, come on, go collect the money. You trump your own. No joke.
You make points. And they go collect that money.
Go collect her, beg for what?
Forget Velasco. The person get 10 million.
Collect her before the man go take the mic. Yeah, let this one from come now. Say you tell me, say you give her enough right there to that one. Where's she from?
I fear you.
Yeah. What is wrong with you? Huh? Are you okay?
Sure. You don't kill me again. I'll run inside your front, make you kill me. Make her die. You dey hurt you. Oh, I fear you. I said kill me. I won't die. Kill me.
Young man, are you with her? Is she okay? Why would she do such a thing? What?
This one a person. Now this one they look. This one a person. Person will betray me. Who be too high? He betray me. Now they ask questions. Now human being. Kill me! I be one that be the one who go kill you. Now they shine your eye. Enter when you jam me at one time. I dey fear you. Me there's a problem. Can you believe not even one single this house was able to open? Not even one. And then she has been in there screaming and crying. And what are we going to do? And he's not even picking his calls either. Since then. Mommy, this is not funny. This is not funny anymore. I think we are leading towards a very serious crisis. What do we do? And I don't want the mother to run here with her problems. I don't want it. The worst part of it is that she's even screaming inside that nothing anybody in this house does. That nobody in this house, not even a king, can make her take any medicine. I'm telling you. That she's not going to drink nothing. And I'm not going to do never stop.
Hey!
That's the worst part.
Hey!
My dear, but then we need to do something. What are we going to do? Even if it means breaking that door, we have to do it. To forestall the impending danger. So, does it mean two of us are going to break it? Since we don't have that man now, let's just go, please. I beg, go drop me for us. Nothing to me.
You have not finished the story. I want to hear all of it. I could be of help.
You want to see your story? When I tell you, say, everything we should be doing for this life. I don't want to talk. Because now, best when I trust my life. Best when people they eat for the same place, they drink water, even they swim for the same river. Shock if you betray me, who I won't believe. Are you? You forget you're not rich. I don't trust anybody for this my life when I come so. What?
Naturally, I'm a very temperamental person. But seeing you, a young girl like you, suffering, I'm wondering how you've been surviving on the streets. Coupled with everything you told me, I feel great sympathy.
Sympathy? I don't understand. They sympathize with me for what happened. I keep person. Why you go to sympathize with me? I beg. And because of say, you see me with these crushes. Oh, let me get you sympathize with me, eh? I think do it.
Let me help. Wait.
This is becoming a ridicule. I have the 10 million naira cash here with me. And he assured me that he will meet me here. And that he had already talked with the girl and she is good to go. What is keeping him?
Boss, this is a big risk. What is it in this ghetto girl that you've not seen in all the classy girls you've dated before?
You will not understand. I want her. And I will do whatever it takes to have her. When I say whatever it takes, I mean whatever it takes. Let's go.
Fuck up big time! Not boasting at all. Belasconi manage. You of all people. See now you she need she die. Now you she love. You can go fall her hand because of money. Ah! You fuck up big time. You fall my hand out. If she fat and I best for you like this.
Let me see you talk, I fuck up. Fuck up well. Even as you don't remind me my fuck up now. You off me. Tell you the truth, you think you're off me? Eh? I don't know. How my stupid uncle now just caused this temptation for me? This make a high belly, mama call him, mama go Lagos, go start life. I want to know say she will hear everything. I don't know say belly school love me now. I don't know. So just know say she stand in front of motor, maybe to kill her. Eh? That one I should just take off me.
See, the last one the way me I know I see be like this. She don't want you to see you at all. She don't want you to see you. So I suggest see they be like this. Maybe you can't move. Maybe you can't vamos. I bet can't grace. You know why? You know I made a confession. I want to plan. I be reason me for man. You be reason to give me anything for man. But can't they move?
I'm sorry, just sit. So sorry. Okay? So sorry, I'm so sorry.
I'm very dehydrated.
Yeah.
I need water.
Let me get her water. Please don't get her water, oh. I don't want anything to happen to you. Angel!
I will get pregnant and will become royalty. There is no going back about it. Send me well to my husband.
Yeah?
Hey! Hey!
Stop. Are you crying because of her?
This news goes viral. The cake shape is gone.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. It will not leave our house in the name of Jesus.
It's okay.
Let me just take you.
What am I going inside to do? You can't ask me.
It's okay.
Cake shape, brother.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
something. I don't want to finish now this one. Anything what you want use me do. Carry me come off for you know what take my see shock you again. Do you hear me?
Alright. Let's go.
Easy now.
Mama, Bina, what is the shop now? Bosu? Mama, you never reach like this now. Mama, you see Shoki, that guy don't cry, tire, you self go pity for him.
As you see me, sir, I don't marry person we say marry. Our marriage are like this. So anyhow you see I take him. The streets, they are. Guy! I'm movement.
Mama, that one's strong, oh. I want to run him now. Mama, you know so where they go like this don't suit you. That place don't fit you. Now the street you don't go. But so you don't fuck up, oh. I don't like this kind of thing, oh. Come broke, Mama, come up our street. Mama, make that point.
Don't tell me that rubbish. Don't tell me that. You guys planned this thing. You planned it. You tricked me. But it will not work. Can you hear me? It will not work.
I'm telling you that she tricked us. We just opened the gate and she ran out. Nobody knew she was going to go.
It's not true. It's not true. You tricked me. You opened my door and you told her to leave. You broke that door. Do you know why I locked her in there? Huh? Do you know why? Why would I keep somebody and you open the door? Are you drunk? Oh, don't worry. You see that message she was taking it. One will see your wife in there. Don't tell me nonsense. She was taking that person and she'll take it now. No problem. Is it my fault? Is it my fault that I'm there to get married?
Is that why you're now going with the girl?
If I can't take this to you, don't try me. Just don't try me. Nonsense. I cannot just place another and you obey it. Is it my fault to get married? Is it my fault?
Must everything be whoa in this house?
You rejected all the guest houses that I've taken you to. This is the lowest I know within this area. So you have to make do with it. Please.
This one, for my level. It's not too big now. Sure? Oh God, this will follow for promo. Adaeze, voila. I wait for you. I get with you now.
Thank God. So tell me, when are you moving into our house? Because I've already told my mother that I will be bringing in a guest.
Guy, can't do your work. Why me now? I don't understand. And so what they do the relationship? Guy, I get plenty wahala. Hi. Now this guy said doing me Shoki. Yeah. Shoki fuck up. Oh. Shoki fuck up. Now Shoki dey now, eh? Shoki for nothing go dey give me to dey hide me. You know what he could give me, we could hide me. Guy, I need happiness now, I need highness now. To make the system the rule, guy.
Oh. I think I understand now. Highness. Drinks. I'm coming.
I go. So they like this same, I need shook. Okay, true. I need highness to follow normally. Yes. It's a HK. Bring correct highness for me. Sure. They went you.
So you mean she fled her home?
That's what her mother said.
This angel is so desperate. I've never seen any girl like her before. She only said she wanted to come and say her goodbyes and all that. And then we felt this deep pity for her and allowed her in. Without knowing she had an ulterior motive to it.
And to think that it happened on a day that I finally met someone I looked into her eyes and felt some sort of likeness for.
Are you serious? You found somebody? Come on, who is she? Who is she? Where is she?
Some girl from the streets.
Streets?
Forget about her. She already said that her life starts and ends on the streets.
Then he came by. In that case, we need to go and find Angel. In case you've forgotten that you're the one keeping me in this house. I need to get married, and I can't do it without you being married first. So please, we need to go and find Angel. And if, in case she takes in, we need to find her and make her your bride before it spreads around the community. And you know, that's a big shame for us, so we need to seal it fast.
Seal by force. She likes that I have quadruplets. I'm not going to marry her. It's bloody business.
Okay, but you did something with her.
And so, say by force. Said I'm not going to marry her. She can't force me to marry her.
Yeah, I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't know what you're saying. My own is, please, get married. Let me marry. I'm tired of living in this house now. Have pity on your sister. I'm tired of staying here. Get married. Let me marry and live here. Biko.
I am disappointed. I am so disappointed. You don't behave like my brother Pikin at all. You are the see as very sharp young man. Stubborn but sharp. See you. When you for collect that 10 million, and I'll be there to work. Eh? Now the same man don't come. Collect it, girl. 10 million you know see. Because you don't hear. Now I cry, you won't cry for me? Me go see her. I'm disappointed. You no go understand. What do you want to make her understand? How go understand? Tell me how I go take understand. Say they look 10 million naira for I, 10 million naira for Kako. Because of waiting. Eh? This I don't understand. Uncle Nabila Skoni will talk about. Eh? I love they to me. Hi! Uncle Love now one soldier wey fit defeat battalion. Don't use love play. I love they to me. Before Belasconi tell me say she love me, I don't feel and say he get with me and her just take it. Not only me they feel they make that girl happy, not only that girl they feel they make me happy. You know our dancing, our cushion, our gyrating, you know as we take it. I say you say only that girl they high me, say they off me. If you say that small thing, you know what you be? I ask you, you know what you be? Utobo. Utobo. You know what you be Utobo? Utobo na that monkey. We get red nash. We no get science. We no get brain. Now what you be? Utobo. Ah!
He's not speaking. He doesn't know who I am. Oh, finally. You picked my lovely prince. I just wanted to know when you're coming for my marriage rite. You know, I need to start antenatal as soon as possible. He hanged the phone on me. Oh. We're in this together. You must surely be my king, and I will be your queen. Whether you like it or not.
These are the best. I bought them for 60,000.
You don't get sense. Eh? Hey, God, I want to try and place it with this one. It's not really like shock you. It's not shocking now, eh? Come on, 100 naira, I will take buy this thing.
next week you go high, you go know what you did. Money they cash you. Are you okay?
You hit me?
So Angela, you finally picked. No, you finally picked, right? So Angela, this is who you are. So this is who you are, Angela. You now have the silly god to call my brother and threaten him. No, I need to understand what runs in your head, Angela. Because we accepted you as a friend and then we trusted you. And this is how you pay us back. This is how you pay us back by... No. Please, excuse me, hold on. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to prove? That if my brother doesn't marry you, that we'll pay? We'll pay what? Just who do you think you are? You made my mother cry. For what? See, Angela, let me... No, please, just listen to me, please. Don't try anything stupid, okay? Oh, for real? See, let me tell you, okay? Just find your way to this house because we need to iron all these things out.
What happened? Okay, fine. No problem. I'm coming there, right? Yes, I said I'm coming. Tell the policemen not to leave. Nobody leaves there. I'm coming. Bella.
I beg. Use God, eh? Take beg on now. You can look at me go in the hospital. I beg. Can't go my hood. I use God to beg on now. Come small highness. When I go make me think understand myself, now they cause fights. Now this is trouble. I use God beg on now. I can't go my hood. I beg.
It's me, Prince Ikemba. I own this guest house. I am your friend. Remember me? Prince Ikemba. I almost hit you with my car earlier today. Then you told me a whole lot about you. A whole lot. I didn't even know I was going to see you again, let alone seeing you in this state. Listen, you have a very big injury on your head. Let me take you to a hospital.
Even though you will take me go anywhere, first take me go my hood. Where I go feel understand myself. If not, we say police, they find me up and down. I'll take a care of since I know how to treat myself.
No problem. I'll take you to your hood. But let me take you to a hospital first, okay?
Hey! Me, Bella's coming. Now me, they want to shine. Now me, they want to shine. Me, of all people, that father lap. When they learn walk, I will show them my color. Oh, voila. I did your game.
Try, Bella. Life don't become hell for me since where you come out. See better highness where I for just the high with you like this. See better music where I download with me and you for just the dance like this. See better story where I for just the gist you. Greed don't finish me. Come so they come make me drive you come out for area. Even uptime self don't still face come out for area. Chai, now I know what you mean to us.
Hello?
Where are they? Why are you come here?
I actually took you to a hospital for treatment. You were given some injections. You slept off. I was instructed to take care of you. So I decided to bring you down to my house. I made you tea.
I beg, I just got to beg me. Just show me the road lead to my house, I beg.
I would never hate you like you did. Never.
I'm telling you, I'm sure she slept in his room yesterday. Though he was trying to hide it, but she was just so beautiful that you could tell. Even more prettier than Angel.
Eh? No wonder he wants to find a wife by himself.
I know.
Hey! I can't wait to see her. Now wait. Is she fair? Dark? Or chocolate?
Mother!
Is she tall? Average or short?
Mom, stop.
Does she have real courage?
Actually, when I saw her, she had a bandage tied around her head.
Bandage?
I'm telling you, but even with all that, she was still looking pretty. Ah, that girl is so cute. And I know by the time we dress her in perhaps she's going to come out so elegant. Trust me.
You say she has a bandage on her head. How come?
Mother, you have to ask your son that one. My own is that he accepts her. And besides, we have to accept her the way she is.
Yeah.
And then find a way to tame that angel of a girl. That's my own. You just have to be happy. He's a someone now. That's my own.
I think I messed up big time.
You simply dealt with a dirty local ghetto girl who dares to slap the son of a senator.
You will not understand. My reaction was very wrong. And I shouldn't have also called the police. She is the way she is because that is exactly how she is. All I needed to do was to understand her, you know, make her... I messed up big time and I must correct it.
Wait, sir. Don't tell me you want to go back to that girl again.
Of course I will. But this time, as our type, a street boy.
Your father will jail me.
Forget about my father. All I think about now is that girl. Her natural beauty. Her strength as a woman. Her fearlessness. Her courage.
Boss, I...
Shut up. Just take me to the market.
corner now, right? They take a house and you know something look again. Eh? Corner. That's what you do now. Eh?
Because I talk to you now, my heart all pieces. My heart all lazy, my heart spread, my heart all scatter.
I take concern me say your heart don't scatter. I take concern me. You don't see. Your mama dey said she dey sick. I don't try within a few try. Don't buy mercy, give her. Eh? See, he say you collect that money. The news you say, you know what you tell me, Lord? The sound alone, 10 million naira. The woman go just wake. Me by now myself don't change clothes. You leave that kind of opportunity to waste.
My goodness.
Huh? Goodness? I tell concern goodness. Goodness not there again. If you're out there, they tell you. Goodness not there again. Your mama, they're very sick. I will need money to carry her go to hospital. Go find money. If you don't find money, she go there for that car and die. Go see your mother. That's it. Now you carry them back up. Big boy. See her. That's so far. Hey! I don't change clothes now. I don't like man being 10 million naira. No, that sound too much.
Here you go. Oh, I didn't provide the one you asked for, but I can manage this one, okay? Yet I don't like the idea of you smoking. What can I do? You must understand that this place is a palace. It's a royal home. There are orders here.
I use God to beg you. Eh? Carry me go my hood. You hear me? Carry me go my hood. Please nothing they miss Shoki so. If not Shoki now, you know what he go give me go hire me. Come on, highness not make you get from me, no fit get him. You bring this one. What I want is cigar. Cigar the high person.
Can you just listen to me? Huh? Listen to me and understand me. Please, listen. The one you're asking for, I'll not give it to you. No. Highness or whatever you call it. It kills the brain cells. I won't give it to you. You can manage cigarettes. Listen and understand me.
I better carry me go. I don't tire. Sure. What I beg you. Carry me go.
Just look at you. Look at you. A beautiful girl like you. You shouldn't be a street tout. You belong here. In this royal home. Again, I've listened to you and I realized that you have a lot upstairs. You're a very brilliant girl. Unfortunately, you found yourself in the wrong place and it's obvious you've been meeting men who cannot move you from where you are to where you're supposed to be. Alright? But I'm here now. Okay? Please, allow me to take good care of you. Yes. All you need to do is obey the rules and regulations in the palace and you'll have all you want.
You see what I talk about? You see them. And these rules and regulations that cannot be take. Not be my type of person in the year. Carry me go my hood. I go to shower, enjoy myself, feel myself. Feel everything, do all the medicines. Collect money. Give me my sister. I will high.
If it's highness you want, I'll arrange that.
I want. Shuki, you fuck up big time. Now only you know my wicked point. You know I didn't move me for long cash, Shuki. They give me all the gyration, all the inclination, all the medicines for highness. Shuki, you fuck up. Shuki, fuck up, oh.
Make I check whether she dey around. You know say you don't tell when I enter area. And moreover, Shuki does see fuck up as well. So I know as I go fit to talk to her, make she listen to what you they talk as well.
Bro, see as you dey see me so I dey ready. I dey ready to do anything. I beg. Once you go take care of me now. And I dey sorry for that thing why I tell you side one. I beg.
No wahala, I don't hear you. But as she dey now, her heart strong like stone. But I'll see as I fit use egg to break stone. Don't worry, I know what I go tell her. Just hold on, yeah?
Hey, After, what's up? You see what it? Eh? On time? Chucky do waiting. You won't kill yourself because of me. No, now. Why would you do that kind of thing now?
Mother. You came back. What is it you're having there?
Huh?
I say, what do you have there with you? And I say,
toothpaste.
Toothpaste?
Yes, my guest needs it.
Toothpaste that we have a carton full of it in the store.
Toothbrush, actually.
Toothbrush. You might as if each. Can I see it?
Yes.
Huh?
I said, can I see it? And I said,
You want to believe with my whole life? Guy, you know he's your HK. No, he's your HK for this matter at all.
Belasconi, I don't mean to lie to you. When the guy tell me everything, now he say he gets regret for what he do. That's why I lie to you.
Please. I never realized how much I love you till that very ugly incident. Your person amazes me. It drives me crazy. And I came to you like you. Please, just teach me your kind of life. Why you lead me. And I love you.
Now I know see the correct akpamu. You! Don't worry. Me, please. You teach me English.
Wait me this.
Collect now deve 200k.
200k. Uptown. Where you get them from?
Don't they ask me many questions. See this money, carry and take carry your mom to go hospital. But as the out now, they move, get up. No dey waste time. Go look for cab, maybe they move.
I'm done.
Don't dey waste time. No issue. Dey waste time.
Thank you.
The street not feel living on until head enter ground.
So how did she get out of this palace?
Do I know? Maybe through the fence now.
Ikemba, we're no longer safe in this compound. I need to hire a security man immediately. Where is she from, Ikemba? Eh? Mukwana chalianya. Kono buni funa gayali, ikuli alko batam ni mu neba.
This one are original fake now.
No! This is original foreign gin. I bought it for 5,600.
Who sell you that one? So why I direct to go buy? Not be there you go buy. Eh? This is what Shoki they buy for me 2,150. Then me say waiting. Guy, see no follow now. Why they do like this?
You're hitting me so hard. What's the meaning of this?
So, you won't slap me again?
You know, sir, I cannot slap you.
You love me like this. Come on, small blow when they give you the shots they do. You love me. I not say they like Shoki. I mean Shoki. Shut the fuck up, man. Shut the fuck up. Shoki, man. You know how they go. They use money do everything for me. Correct kindness. That's what we go to blow ourselves, guy.
Okay. Where you want me to do it? Where you want me to do it now?
This my really mumu. Strong hakbana you be. So I go tell you, I go tell they do me. Shoki, fuck up, shout. Fuck up, oh. By now, eh? Oh, I know it's for you before. But you better pass that idiot, yeah. That idiot. They tell me say, in a breeze, in a this, in a that. They carry me go lock me for cage in a palace. What did they worry you, safe guy? Ladies. Come on, Ines, come on, do not leave the jump from come.
Hello, sir. Yes, we traveled out of town to meet a client, and he's in a meeting. That's why he's not taking your call, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. Alright, sir. I will tell him to call you once he's out. Alright, sir. God. This boy is going to kill me one day. But to obey my faith. If the father finds out that he is dressed like a ghetto boy and with a gear in the ghetto, hello, Magnus. What's medicine? Pain medicine. What happened to you? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to buy it now.
I need a security man now. I mean now. Yes. The last one we had, I sent him away after the death of my husband, the king. But my dear, with the recent happenings in the palace now, hey, I need a security man urgently, immediately. I mean, right away. Please. Okay, my chairman. Thank you so much. I'll be waiting. Please. Thanks a lot.
Mother, a lot has been happening in this palace. In a short period of time, a whole lot has been happening.
Hey, my dear. Angel's mom called a while ago.
Are you serious? What exactly did she say?
Come with me to the living room. We need to put things right.
Where's the medicine? This girl is... She wants to be hell out. Where is it?
Where is she?
I've seen you before. Who are you? And what do you want from her?
I asked you a simple question. Where is she? I see you're the one who beat her.
Now listen, she is mine. And I will treat any intruder as an enemy. I'm sure you know what the special troops do to enemies.
Said to happen. I said to talk to you so in the hospital.
I need to go see them. Hello? My prince, I beg, I just got to beg you. Eh? I don't want to take my 2 eyes to see you. You dey hear me? I not be sheep, I not be goats. Where they lock us inside one place. Say na palace. Guy, I not be your type. You know they feel me. I not be your type. Go find your type now. Me as I dey like this, I dey find person who be say go understand me. They go they give me highness, not be your type. Say be prince. Come on, make I ask you one question. Person will be say they shoot for leg, you see carry and jump fence. That one no go tell you say the person no normal. I better not come my line again, I beg. Sis.
Something to do for her. How many person was supposed to give my picking money?
Eh?
We don't know how to take arrange the thing. How we take arrange the parole. You know now.
Guy, watch your tongue. Sorry. I beg go direct me for where the hospital day.
Without talking to me and nearly pushed me down.
Don't worry. Things are already in place.
What exactly are you talking about?
Lower your voice. Something happened while you were away to buy something.
Really? Yes. Tell me now what happened. How?
Shout. Take it easy.
Aye. Easy, easy, easy.
Your father has been calling me like hell. I'm tired of lying.
Forget my father and concentrate on how to alleviate this pain. Please.
What did you even say about it?
She was beating me black and blue. Her bones are like iron. She said that's how she expresses her own kind of love. Believe me, I have seen something here. That girl is something else.
Is it that you just like disturbing me and following me around? What is it?
Calm down. Your mother walked my coming back.
And what? If my mother walks, you're coming back, then stay with my mother, stop disturbing me. Listen to me. Hey, look at me, look at me, look at me. If I count to 5 and you're still here, you will see another side of me you have never ever seen in your whole life. 1, 2.
This is the pregnancy confirmation. I am carrying your child. If you want to kill me, and kill the child of your loin. It's your own blood. You can take me anywhere to run a proof test. It's your blood.
Here we are.
Sure. Now this same guest has to carry me going.
I don't want to bother myself taking you around. I know the kind of place you
Hey, you're on there. This means I not get joy you. You hear me? As I did like this, I want to make my head hot. Hey, give me the girl. Give down.
What am I supposed to do with this?
You see what I talk about? Okay, since you don't know what you go use and do, just ring the bell. Come make a head. No sense supposed to be that one.
What is this?
They're mad. Nothing like Shoki so. If not Shoki now, as I kick I'm gonna kick me. I think I kick me. That's what they give the go now. They go they give me rhymes with the bell, with good verse. I did not want this sweet. Nah, not be your type, bro. You not feel walk.
What kind of useless love and relationship we won't be doing with kicks and punches?
What? They say it's
I forgot, man. It's as if I'm trapped. It's as if I'm trapped with my hands tied. You know. I just know I would never do anything that will spoil the name of this royal family. But I know what to do.
My son, Agonia, the lion himself, I trust your judgment.
Hello? Hello, okay? I beg, it will make sense if you say if you come, I beg. But I beg if you come. Then don't come. That people why I tell you now, then don't come again. You know, say each time when they come like this, now trouble, voila. But then they catch fire. That's what they break bomb fight here and there. I beg, Oga, you will be saying that person will get the water. If you come now, if they look your face as your Oga, if you calm down, it's trouble too much. Yes, those people now, yes. You go come? Okay, no water. Yes, no water. Alright, sir. Which kind of trouble is this?
Just shut up! Shut up and take me home. I am done with this nonsense. I need to even see my doctor.
I told you. Oil and water can't mix together.
Ghetto girl na ghetto girl. Your level are classy people. No matter how you push a pig, even with Ragoli's water, the next minute, the pig is back.
I said, take me home so I can see my doctor afterwards. I'm done with this useless adventure.
You ended up here again. What did he do to you this time? And why are you still with that music? I've been calling you. You haven't been picking my calls. Why?
Sure. Be correct, guy. Your teeth complete. Sure. The guy don't let me sleep. But I no lie for you. I don't pursue shock kick for my life. It ain't crazy for you. Mama see they there. I'm small. You feel am? Now I can see one kind of guy we say, "Na correct guy get this get that." You go for show me say, "Nah this, nah that." You won't show me. I say, make you show me the skin now. Be behind me now. Gonna counterfeit. You got F big time. Must have anything.
Last time you were with me, you embarrassed me seriously by escaping through the fence. Why?
Sure. Na normal level now. Now you dey talk like this. You dey like this now. So I shall call boss owner, call pass on that come your house. How you for see am? Tell me if I not feel am. If I not feel am. Did you like say no waiting day? Guy, everywhere they cool. So I dey like this I want you to go behind me. Take this bell. Ring her for my head. You can feel your vibe. Sure? You wanna feel say go give me joy? Now you won't go add your own sorrow to my own. Why did you like this now, bros? Take this thing now. Give her to me. I need that. My idiot. I'll be like that now. Ring gum. Ring gum. Correct. I love you, ma. Ememera. Awabioma. Ememera. Awabioma. Ememera. Awabioma. Ememera. You did game. They use your HK. Like say you go feel high me where I don't see him. You correct guy. But I won't show you how me and Shukiti they do our love with the sweet. I'll show you and that pattern entirely. You will feel me.
Yes, come on in. Oh, Princess Choma.
Angel. Hope you're good, eh?
Yes, I'm fine.
Food is served.
Oh, okay. I'll be with you soon. Okay, thank you. Already been treated as royal. Yeah. Food is served. Very soon, I'll be having my own car. I'll be needing a maid. Maids. Plush events. Oh God, I made it! I made it! I'm so happy.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I want me to know, sir. I won't carry my mama go my big sister place when they discharge her. Because I know if you be here.
No wahala now, no problem. Makes sense.
Then after then I'll know whether I'll enter Ghana or Cameroon or Kenya. Anywhere below fees, might just stay refocus because I want to get myself again.
What you want to go do for GH? Baba, what happened to the land guard level? Better they come out now.
I know if you stand down now. Who I want to do? Who I want to look? I look Senator Pikin, I want to look Prince. Jealousy go kill me now. They don't collect my Belasconi. So what's I call the to do? Even when she come hospital, I call visit her, she not talk to me. So what's I call the to do? I forge ahead, go start my life all over, man.
See, I fit tell you something. You see, now your level, now I take carry Belasconi come back. I swear to God, now only your matter and actually the reason. But I'm not reason no more. Don't move, oh. You go pay me if you move, oh. I'm not gonna lie you, oh. I want you to leave only more for the street. I want to take the handle now.
Wait, Belasconi?
Yes, now. Your matter now to bring and come back.
Came back. What is this? What happened to you?
Oh, it's nothing, just a minor injury. Fine.
I'm not injured.
Oh, mother, easy.
Speak on, son. Who did this to you? Who fought you? I need to throw the idiot into jail.
Mother, nobody fought me. I'm fine. You know, I was driving and I saw some boys on the street playing football. You know, it's been long since I exercised, so I said let me just join them and show them some skills. Before I knew it, those boys dribbled me like hell and found myself on the ground. I hit my head. But I'm fine.
And you were playing football in your prince's regalia? You came back.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Hello? Manager, I learned my son was in his guest house a while ago. I want you to tell me exactly what happened. Do not lie to me.
Come in, the door they open.
That's mine. I read this one for you. I make sure say you do okay. You get.
But you can't get out too. You can't get out. Oga just a ring bell for my head. They collect my blow. I go reason now.
See, make I tell you. I beg you well. If you hear Kokoko for this door, no open. If no be me, no open.
Why?
Because you see, Mama just the nose around. I don't know what that woman wants. He just the nose around, and you know say this guy na prince, and only son for that matter. I beg.
Make it the mama they go now. It concern me. If in a mama uncle.
See, I tell you, as I don't tell you, I beg.
Because I say you go fear dog, you go fear shit. What's happen? Mama, go kill. I can't come now. Cage me for you. Because I say your God, don't they understand me? Oh. God, take it easy, I beg. Don't worry. I did here.
As I tell you, I don't tell you, I beg. Once I knock, I go take say my manager before you open. I believe this is what happen again. I beg, yeah. Take care.
Yeah, Mama, they go.
He asked me to leave his room last night, that I should return home. I'm not yet his wife. So I went straight to the guest room to sleep. But I kept hearing his movements up and down last night. I don't know.
So where is my son now?
In his room, I guess.
Mother, we need to talk. We need to talk right now. About what? Say it here now.
Mother, please, I need to speak with you privately. It's either we find some place to talk, or maybe let Angel excuse us, please. Angel, excuse us.
How'd you get in here? I love you.
Hey, Wille, please. Wille! Alex! Eyes! See your son on the face of highness here. Mechiagwanu there. Mechiagwanu in the field of highness. Now, Amandi will have bent at your neck and tease your tongue for you. Now, get out of this place. So because of this street urchin, because of this non-entity, you drove away your wife. A wife that is carrying your child, the future queen of this kingdom. So you don't marry? Why may be like this? Why may be like this? Why may do they lie? Look it down! I don't want to come back in this street and meet this street ushering from the gutters here. Do I make myself clear? Nonsense.
Why are you not telling me what the problem is?
Angel, you worry too much. Why do you always like to worry? It's not everything I will just tell a pregnant woman. And besides, it's nothing my mother can't quickly resolve. Alright? So just chill and stop worrying your pretty head. Come, let's go inside. I'll prepare a mixed fruit for you.
Serious?
No, you're sorry.
You know it's my favorite, right?
I know. Worry about it.
What's in the talk? When for day? Eh? Tell me say no today. When day?
Pale, he not tell you. He tell me saying they carry my leg go his mama sister side now. Saying go crash there, saying that tomorrow he go come.
You cannot say that one. If mama don't they come and they ask me why when I see her. And you there, they tell me say no they here. When for day? That's my question.
Sure. This one don't pass, be careful. Okay, no wahala later now. If I ring him later, anything when you yarn, if I come here later, I go yarn you. Joking. This guy's still enter again.
It's going to be
So what will you name him?
It's going to be Kimba, of course.
So what if he's a girl? Choma, of course. Excuse me. Choma is the best name.
Move on, let me shoot this girl. Move on, let me kill this girl. Well, that's it, let me get my people. Monkey. Since I got to know you, you've cost me nothing but pain. Pain all the time. Why? Huh? You shot me with pregnancy. Now you had your way. Fine. But let me tell you, if you ever go to Bella and disturb her again, or tell my mother anything about her, I will kill you. You hear me? I will shoot you. I will empty this whole thing in your body.
I didn't say anything.
He came by here. She heard you. She on with you. On with you.
Remember, he's not. Stand right there.
take your call. Huh? Pick your call. Pick your call. Can you just vanish like that? Just go without telling me. Not again now. Can't go through this. Can't go through this.
Who goes to? What is it? They don't even do it, sir. I go arrange buyer. If I hail this side, I go hail this small side join am. Shime, that person don't go chop for this land because of one Mary Shigia like that. Don't be me again. Gambo the Rambo. You know say I know the gamble, but if you try mumble with my name, I go make you stumble. You go to tell the tumble, eh? You go to tumble until you go humble. Oh, so when I still there, when I still there,
you see all this land there? You not go hail anyone. You not hail any land. That will be your worst nightmare for this community.
Mmerenshi people. I don't get your time with small picking. Look, I tell you, you had your sister Bella. Maybe I don't lost her for area. You don't lost now. Your own case like Cambo case. I could just use one hand, squeeze you like my boss. Shima.
Sure? You were not Woski so. But no level for you.
Like Gambo the Rambo.
No level.
Make I not tumble you here. Well, I don't go feel waste my bullet. We still be one takere. And that your mama see the wait for. That your mama see the wait for.
Now so, me now, I see the look for my own picking. Shoki. I see one of them. And they try to talk with them. Now him phone ring, bam. He dash out. And I still the wait. Maybe he go still come back. Now you come.
You mean Bella did not return?
Yourself. Which language you don't understand? I don't speak English, you know here. I don't speak broken, you know here. Huh?
Alright. Okay, please. Do you know the area where they do their guard work, watch?
That question get us today. Anyway, shall plenty. New layout today. Old layout today. Independence layout today. Future layout today. And coming layouts today.
All right, thank you.
This intimidation done too much. What to be this self? Say Gambo no go see food chop again because you dey guard big men and land. Huh? Who's nonsense? I don't make my decision. You see today, I go kill you, kill myself. Run away and go and die somewhere.
Shut up, your mother! Because say you chop the rough rice, you won't rise. How? You know they make noise. They can't lyrics, not fashions. You know, so your teeth complete. Shoot.
Damn it.
Mama B. The area no good like this. So. For our best, I don't want to do with me.
Shut up, your mother, you coward! You're supposed to die for what you stand for. I make you hero.
Hey, come on! Come on, move! Don't be me again. You try me, eh? You try any nonsense, I go just blast on your head now. I'll be the fine way where I go take charge before your man enter. And na prince, so na correct pepper. don't always be this.
Now, drop your gun.
You! I said drop your gun before I plaster his head now. You don't hear me? Come on, drop your gun. Like Gambo, the Rambo. I know the Gambo.
Well, I'll drop it. Drop it so we don't, nobody gets hurt.
Come on, drop your gun. What I tell you? I mean, they try.
I don't tire for all this my uncle insult because I don't collect money over Bella yet. I don't tire. Even the Bella self don't leave me follow people again. Make I go another town, go start life for nothing.
Security, this is your new office. I will equip you with my son's gun. Anybody you see, I mean anybody, be it man or woman, or even animal, that jumps in and out of this compound, kill that person. Do I make myself clear?
Loud and clear.
Good. I mean, I don't know where on earth he brought that nobody that goes in and out of this compound without nobody noticing. Hey, even if she's a ghost, the solution is here now. Now, security, I want you to go round this compound. Spare nobody.
No problem, Your Majesty. As long as I have the gun in my hand. Forget it. I will shoot at will.
Mommy, if you say so. No, let me go and get the gun for you, okay? Let me see how speak.
He ran away with her. She's the one he wants to be with. Loneliness will keep me here.
Just stop crying. My mother already assured me that your marriage rights will commence as planned. Okay? Just stop crying. Trust me. And trust my mother too. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay.
Still can't believe this. You mean you risked your own life just to save me?
You're not correct guy now. You know, say you're not a better person. After Shoki, now you be the only guy who give me joy. Who they make me happy. And who they understand my kind of play.
That's because I love you. I have to be very honest. I love you. I want to make you my wife.
Oh, Bolo. Say you lie, you draw. Say you draw like a Bolo. You told a lie. What I see with my two crow eye. When your mama tell me, say, Picky, person get belly for you. Now you can't tell me story. Ishima, I love you, I love you. Who you get that kind of story for? I'll go duty for you.
Listen, I swear, she's not my wife. She was used to set me up. Unfortunately, I fell for it. I was so stupid. Okay? Yes, she was also pregnant for me. But I don't know. You're the one I love. I know, our lifestyles are quite different. That's because some of this, we have two different this man. Then again, I've always had anger issues. But since I met you, I've been be my wife, and I'll send my
So the pikin don't come and pass. Why did you like this now? As you see me so, I don't go find shooting anywhere we did for this life. I don't go reconcile with them. Yes, so go settle. As you see me, so I know the for those when your mama they give you rules and regulations, they tell me say do this and do that. I'm not being momo. When they go, what they tell what you go do. As you see me so, show him mama, they respect me. Even the uncle, they cut for me. Now you know if you marry, I want to work. Oh, not if you marry, you know if you work for this life. No, my so. No, it's duty for you.
I really love me as much. Okay, baby.
That won't be a problem now.
I'll listen to you.
This guy is a current guy. Hey! Hey, baby, I love you, man. Hey, I want to repent you. Hey, baby,
He just sent me the most bizarre and insulting text message that I've ever received in my life. In fact, I'm good already. I'm good.
So sorry. And no matter how long he stays out, he's going to come back and meet us both in this house. Okay? I'm so sorry. We'll sort it out. We'll iron it out. Alright? I'm so sorry, darling. Stop crying. Stop crying, darling.
Chiegbu. You again.
Do not live with the fear of what you've lost, but with the joy of what you've found.
So I have lost Bella. I have lost my crazy friend. The one who brought joy to my life. How can I live with Angel? Someone who schemed their way into my life. How? How? I just cannot do this. I can't do this. What do I do?
Uptown.
Pale.
I say, Bio. What you go do now? Even I say one live in life. They can live in life, they go. But me I know say I go take care of him, mama. Anything with tenants carry come. I go share her, carry her home, keep for her.
No wahala, Pale. I don't hear everything when you yarn. I don't like one coming into the street now.
Abi? Oh, town.
Pale.
You're my man. You're my man. Uptown.
You can stay if you want. But the truth is, I don't love you. And I don't think I'll ever love you. I'll only marry you because my mother wants me to. Also because I have to do it to secure the throne and for the future of the child I'm marrying. The person I truly love, my one true friend, I lost that because of you.
I can't stay.
Why?
I will die here because of hate. And secondly, I lied.
You lied?
The pregnancy result was fabricated.
Hey!
I was not ovulating the day we met.
But your mother confirmed the pregnancy. Even the doctor also confirmed it. So what are you trying to say?
They all lied.
Hey!
The doctor was bribed and the pregnancy result was faked.
You and your mother.
Hey! Get a pregnancy test. Angel. What is it? What is it?
You one girl, when you forget. Her papa, na Igwe Akatapo of Ikata. I don't work for her papa before. You don't tell where this girl lost. Her papa carry picture, give everybody, say they find her. Even give police, they find her everywhere. Her papa even promise anybody will see her, you go give her 1 million naira. Your Highness, I don't know. But what surprised me, she said she didn't look for.
She's speaking for who?
The prince.
I don't want to say anything. Let's go later on.
Bring her in.
Mother, not now.
So you're not good.
Hey!
You know, say, my bad daughter they come before. I can't use front enter this time. The security man they tell me say, my papa na want you go like that for a Kata kingdom. They don't tell me before. The man tell me but I not reason the guy. Because the guy, he not see me. Person not they take care of me without going for the street, leave me. And he say make I call reason. I don't tell him. If I'm say the security man they tell me say, police carry my picture, they walk out and down for the town. And because me I call reason with you, not if I so. You know they feel am.
She's a true replica of the great Igwe Akatampo of Akanta Kingdom. She is royal.
That's what they talk.
Hey!
Ella. Why are you here? Have you come to shatter what's left of my heart and leave me to die? Is that it?
No. I can't reason with you now so that I can be your wife. Yes, because I feel like this now. Shocking matter. It's true. You know, it's not the only person who see they feed, they high me to my taste. They give me the lyrics, the vibes, the version, the slower for the system. What is that?